Hi gentlemen, good morning. Today I am going to explain you about the PLC base and the model is you can see TB511-ETH. So this particular PLC base is used to install PM581-ETH or PM573-ETH. Okay, this is basically AC500 B2.1 slot for communication module. So this is the place is designed for the installation of the communication module. So here we are installing communication module CM574 and this is the place. These are the three slots available where we are installing the PLC. Now, what are all the things integrated in this PLC base? You have one Ethernet port. Next, this is your COM2 port. This is your communication 1 port and it supports both interface like RS232 and RS485. So that means we have two serial interface RS232 and 485. The input voltage is 24 volt DC. One thing you must remember, the input voltage should not be less than 19 volt, otherwise this PLC will not get on. So it should always remain more than 19 volt. Okay. Now the degree of protection if we talk, then it is IP20 class. Operating temperature is 0 to 60 degree and suppose if you are going to keep it in the storage, then the temperature is minus 40 to 70 degree. There is one more slot here available communication port. This is called field bus plug FBP. So I hope you will not have any doubt about PLC base. Next, if we talk about the weight, so total weight of this module is PLC base is 160 gram. Depth is like this. Depth is 28 mm and height from bottom to top height is around 135 mm. Okay. So now I am going to just demonstrate you how to install PLC. Now you see this, I am having PM573-ETH PLC and this PLC will be installed in this slot. Okay, so just align it properly and press it. So now you see your PLC is installed in the PLC base. Okay, in the next video I will tell you how to switch on the PLC, how to configure the IP address through laptop or manually how to set the IP address. But one thing you must remember, if you are doing manually, it will be there till the time this PLC is on. The next moment, if you switch off and switch on the PLC, then IP address will be lost. So it will go to the default IP address and the default IP address is 192.168.0.10. So it will go to the default IP address. So if you want to change the IP address permanently, then you have to connect this PLC with the laptop and scan the IP address and whatever address you want, you can change it. Okay, so in the next video, I will explain you about this. Now, as far as PLC is concerned, now you see this is the memory slot. Okay, and this is the place where we are installing the memory. Okay, and this is the place where we are installing the battery. Can you see? So the battery what we are using is TSA521 and this is basically used for the real time clock and whatever information is available in the RAM. So that information is stored. So generally it comes without battery. That means whatever program and data we are saving, it is saved in the flash memory and it basically stored the information in the form of capacitance. So for running the PLC, we don't need battery. Okay, the SD memory card is MC502SD. So this is the memory card we should use. Okay, and the supply is 24 volt. Okay, and wattage capacity is 10 watt. And next, this is the screen available where you will get the display. Next, you see the sys, battery, IO bus, Ethernet, FBP, COM1 and COM2. The moment you connect, here indication will be available. That I will show you when I will switch on the supply. Now this is for the run and stop mode. This is for diagnostic. If there is an error, then with the help of this key, we are checking the error, and this is the key through which we are doing the validation. Now this is the configuration button. This is the button through which we are going to the various menu and changing the IP address and other setting. This is the escape button. This is up and down button. With the help of this, we are changing the IP address. And now this is OK button. Okay. Now this is the place, if you see, now you see, this is the place through which we are connecting the IO modules. And these are the details of the PLC. So if you want to know the details of the PLC, you can check here. In the next video, I will explain about the PLC. For time being, you must know this is your PLC base and the name is ABB TB511-ETH. Okay. Thank you.